I'm Dylan Dreyer.
And I'm Giuliani.
And we are going to show you some fun food ideas for your next brunch party.
In our PJs. Let's make an easy party frittata. I come from a long line of frittata makers. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just about there. It's still a little liquidy, but it's not dripping all over the place. There's a good firm base on the bottom, but I'm not burning the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn my heat off, and then I'm gonna do my frittata flip. It's very heavy. You made a really pretty frittata.
Thank you. This frittata is the bomb.
Yay!
So good.
Goldeny, yummy richness.
That's addictive.
So this bread is just gonna absorb everything.
So then we're gonna take it, put it in the oven, bake it, and then bring it over to our party and serve it with berries, a little powdered sugar.
And dip it in syrup.
Perfect. So this is store-bought hash browns, and so we're gonna fill, you fill one, I'll fill one.
Okay.
Put in whatever you would like.
Go to town.
Go to
Little
town.
jar here.
And then your hash bash.
It's so good. I mean, you can't go wrong with this.
We're eating potatoes out of a jar. In our pajamas.
Hash bash.
Life is good. From classic cocktail parties to pajama brunches, we got you.